Hello everyone. Today's our topic is Raoult-Hurwitz stability criteria in unit number 5, the stability of linear feedback system. In the last session we had studied about the different example using the Raoult stability criteria. So today, first of all, the application of the Raoult criteria. The gain is kept in terms of k and the Raoult array is solved to find out the different value of k for this table operation. So using the Raoult table, we have to find the different value of k and then we have to decide that this type of system is stable, unstable or the relatively stable. So the first example is determine the range of k for the stable operation and the system equation is s raised to 4 plus 5s cube plus 5s square plus 4s plus k is equal to 0. So the first step is we have to draw a Raoult table for the particular system equation. So the first step is we have to draw a Raoult table for the particular system. Now Raoult table is start with the maximum power of s. Here you can see that the maximum power of s is 4. So start with s raised to 4, then s cube, s square, s raised to 1 and the last term is s raised to 0. Now in the Raoult table, first of all we have to write the coefficient of the s raised to 4. Here you can see that the coefficient of the s raised to 4 is 1. So here you can write the 1. Now the next you can skip the term in the next and we can write the coefficient of the s square. So here we can write here 5. After that we can skip the term 4s and then we can write here k. Okay, so this is the first row of the Raoult table. Now in the s cube row we have to write the coefficient of the s cube and the coefficient of the s cube is 5. So we can write here 5. After that we can skip the term 5s square and we can write the coefficient of with s and it is 4. So this is the second row of the Raoult table. Now how we can find the third row. So for that we have to find the value of b1 and the equation of b1 is like that: cross multiplication of 5 into 5 minus 4 into 1 divided by 5. This is the equation of b1. So we can get b1 is equal to 25 minus 4 divided by 5 and the value of b1 is 4.2. So we can write here 4.2. Now for the b2, the equation of b2 is equal to 5 into k minus 0 into 1, that means 0 divided by 5. 5 is cancelled out, so the value of b2 is k. So we can write here b2 is equal to k. Now we have to find the value of c1 and the equation of c1 is equal to 4.2 into 4 minus 5k divided by 4.2. Whenever we find the value of c1, we can consider the second and the third row. We cannot consider the first row. So the value of c1 is equal to 16.8 minus 5k divided by 4.2 and the value of c2 is automatically 0. Now we have to find the value of an and the equation of an is equal to c1, that means 16.8 minus 5k divided by 4.2 into k minus 0 divided by 16.8 minus 5k divided by 4.2. This term is cancelled out, so we can get an is equal to k. Okay, so this is the Raoult table for this system equation. Now we have to find the value of k, at which value of k the system is stable. So first of all, in the s raised to 0 row, the value of k is equal to k greater than 0. So for the stability, all the elements are in the left hand side. That's why this type of system is known as the stable system. So the first condition is k greater than 0. The next equation is, here you can see that in the s raised to 1 row, the value of k is 16.8 minus 5k divided by 4.2 greater than 0. So we can simplify this equation. We can get 16.8 minus 5k greater than 0. That's why 16.8 greater than 5k. So we can get k less than 16.8 divided by 5, and simplify this equation, we can get the value of k. So for this particular system equation, for the stable system, the range of k is 0 less than k less than 16.8 divided by 5. So this is the value of this k. Now the example number 2, determine the range of k for the stable system, and the system equation is s cube plus s square in bracket 2 plus k plus 30 sk plus 200 k is equal to 0. So first of all we have to draw the route table for this system equation, and the route table start with the maximum power of s. Here the maximum power of s is cube, so we can start with s cube, then s square, then s raised to 1, and the last term is s raised to 0. First of all we have to write the coefficient of s cube. Here the coefficient of s cube is 1, so we can write here 1. After we can skip the term and we can write the coefficient of s. So the coefficient of s is 30k. Now in the row of s square we have to write the coefficient of s square, and it is the 2 plus k. After that we can skip the term 30 sk and we can write the coefficient of s raised to 0, and the coefficient of s raised to 0 term is 200k. Now we have to find the value of b1. So the equation of b1 is 2 plus k into 30k minus 200k divided by 2 plus k. So we can get b1 is equal to 60k plus 30k square minus 200k upon 2 plus k, and the value of b2 is automatic 0. Now we have to find the value of an, and the value of an is equal to 60k plus 30k square minus 200k upon 2 plus k into 200k minus 0 divided by this term. So s raised to 0 will become 200k. Now we have to find the value of k, at which value of this k the system will become stable. So the first condition is 200k greater than 0. That means the value of k will be greater than 0. Now the next term is 16k plus 30k square minus 200k greater than 0. Simplify this equation, we can get 30k square minus 140k greater than 0. That means 30k minus 140 is equal to 0 greater than 0. That means 30k greater than 140. So the value of k will be greater than 140 divided by 3. And simplify this equation, we can get k is equal to 4.47. So the value of k will become equation. Next example is, the system equation is 3s raised to 7 plus 9s raised to 6 plus 4s raised to 4 plus 7s cube plus 8s square plus 2s plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so the necessary condition for the stability is all coefficients of the polynomial have the same sign and all the powers of the s must be present for the particular equation. Here you can see that condition 2 is not matched for this equation because the s raised to 5 power is missing for this particular system equation, and that's why this type of system is known as the unstable system. So whenever the power of the s is missing for this equation, we cannot solve this equation using the Raoult table. This type of system equation, the output will become the unstable response. Now next one is the advantages of Raoult stability criteria. It is a simple algebraic method to determine the stability of the closed loop without solving the root locus of the higher order polynomial of the characteristic equation. The next advantage is it is not time consuming process. The progress is systematically and it is frequently used to determine the condition of the absolute and the relative stability of the system, and it can be determined the range of k for the stable system operation. Now what is the disadvantage? It is valid only the real coefficient of the characteristic equation. Any coefficient that is complex number or contain the exponential factor, this type of test is failed, and it is applicable only the linear system. And the exact location of the poles we cannot identify using the Raoult stability criteria. We can only identify the stability of this system. So a method is to stabilize the system is not suggested for the particular stable system. For that, we can study about the root locus of this system. Thank you everyone.